Where is the money?
The 50,000 naira for...
Yes.
Yes.
Put it here. This is for the sacred soap, right?
Yes.
So?
I've made a transfer of 50,000, the balance, in your account.
When my daughter gets it, she will let me know.
Okay.
Meanwhile, you have to go. Come back in the next 3 hours. I'm not in a very good mood right now.
I say why? I don't dare lenient with you enough. I'm not gonna pity you again. The Friday when I tell you say I go come, don't pass, stay. I even dash you extra days. I have come for my money. Where my money? Which I mean, and then they follow you do that nonsense. So where my money?
If you don't live here now, I will make you to go to the other side of the world. Are you mad?
You go make me go the other side of the world. Be like this side they follow you play. Wait. This side they follow you play, Abi? You think that they follow you play? Okay. Okay. I go burn your shiva and you go see and go clear for your eye.
How dare you?
You're mad. Where my money? Where my money? I go burn this place now. Where my money? Here she go. This how they follow. I don't see money. I don't package this one. I don't say anywhere where you there hear my voice. I go come again for my money, and if I come this time, I swear, now your dead body will carry come on for this place. You go see him. You think they follow you play, Abi? Hey, say why? Okay, you go see him. I am asking you, what kind of a mother are you? You don't support me in anything I do. I told you that I love the prince, that I want him for myself. Mama, you have what it takes. You have all it takes for crying out loud. Give me one of your best charms to hold him down. But you vehemently refused. So I am asking you, Mama, what kind of a mother are you? Wait, is it that you do not want me to become queen beside him? You don't want me to rule this kingdom by him? I am asking you, Mama.
Adamiri, you are a fool.
Call me whatever you like.
Fool.
Call me a fool, Mama.
A big fool.
A big one, yes.
You know where the charm is. Go and take it and hold him down. Must I give it to you?
You have to give it to me. It's your duty to give it to me. Call me a fool, mother. A big one, yes, I accept. It is not a crime to be in love. Mama, guess what? The king is dead.
What?
Yes. You heard me. The king is dead. He died in the early hours of today. And guess what? The prince will be crowned king after 7 days, which you already know. Mama, this is one thing that I begged you to do for me. Now, that ugly thing is going to stand by him as a queen to rule this kingdom. Mama, please don't let this happen. I am begging you.
Did you enough?
Have you not heard?
What?
Can't you hear the sound of Ikoro? Your presence will be needed highly in that place. Please, let's hasten our feet to that place.
I am with you.
Please be fast.
Hebo hebo oyolima neto chukwu neto chukwu nwanyi bu ike she's stronger like a man you know fit pull am down.
No, I know fit be na. Neto chukwu.
Wetin dey talk na? How far? Your man don't run the juju again. Wetin dey sup? We suppose don't bring this girl down now na. Wetin dey sup?
Ezugo, may we beat this girl, may we follow this girl up, may we beat her, may we attack her. We be Neto Chukwu now.
Come on, guy, calm down. You know see the bag wey say she carry. You know wetin dey inside that bag. You dey talk no go attack her. What if she come bring gun out and call?
No, fuck go up at this one. No,
guy.
Nah, mommy fuck mama. Mommy fuck go up.
Ezugo, what dey happen to Ezugo, guy? I see the guy with a beat am down here. See this small girl now, suppose.
Choi! Chewere fifeje. Miriam finanya. The great tree has fallen. Iguana.
According to our tradition, in 3 days' time, his remains shall be brought to the river. Every son of the soil, every daughter of the soil shall come to the river to mourn him. You shall come bearing your gift. No market will open and no business will open. This kingdom will be completely silent for these 3 days, for our hero has fallen.
It is not a must that the villagers will assemble at the riverbank to mourn my father. My prince, it is a tradition. Tradition for those that worship Iyi, our great river. We have Christians among us and also pagans.
Everyone is expected to honor our tradition, whether Christian or not.
There's a why. We are not going to deprive people of their rights to religion. Please, there's a why. I am not here to banter words with you.
Ezenwai, please, try and understand.
My love, it is fine. I'll be here with you. All right?
My prince, sorry, oh. This news shocked me, oh. I hear say our Igwe dey sick, but I don't know say the thing dey serious like this. Sorry, oh. Sorry.
Thank you so much.
Accept my condolence, oh.
Thank you.
You get anything when I go fit do for you, like...
There is nothing else you can do other than just face it.
Ah, my princess,
I want to be left alone with my man. Don't you have other things to do? Have you suddenly gone jobless? Don't you have shoes to protect?
Make I clear you, you no go tell me make I come out for this place, oh. This kingdom not be your own, not be your place be this. Now why you go die, so now our kingdom be this. Shut up too. I'm mad.
How dare you talk to me in such manner? Listen, let me tell you. I am going to be the queen of this kingdom someday and rule with this man. So mind how you talk to me.
Adora.
Get out. My love, put her in her place. This is all your fault.
I'm really sorry.
What?
My prince, no wahala. I don't talk the thing when you carry me come. Make I dey go. Next time you call me till the guy go shook hand for your eye, they mad.
You're silly.
Let's go.
My prince, no vex, sir. The thing yakpa for her eyes, I say make I help am, clear am, make she for the sea road well. And no pama.
Did you see that? Did you see that? Baby!
No, nah, Mama, no, nah. No, nah. How can this happen? Mama, after everything we went through, after all the sacrifice, all the risk, you allow Neto Chukwu to still be alive. Mama, what is this up now? I don't understand this one now.
I am not saying I allowed her to leave. I said something is shielding her against my powers. I don't know what that power is, but something is blocking me from attacking her.
So, Mama, what about my end? I mean, what about mine?
Nah, to God, we make two of us. Don't be say you dey fire, for don't enter you. You dey crazy. You dey meant. We don't talk of serious matter here. You dey talk nonsense. Eh? You know how to deal with the Neto Chukwu. Neto Chukwu, you know what that girl do me? Eh? That girl ban me. She enter me with warm nanny. Peter, see your brother. See, if you talking about marrying the prince again, now go enter you where? You dey crazy? Well, nah, Mama, now I got something because I will go take run this thing now.
Adamiri, don't let me curse you. Do not allow me to cast a spell on you. I am talking about the ultimate sacrifice to do, to bring that girl down, to bring that useless idiot, that useless Neto Chukwu down, at least to restore my glory. And here you're talking about one stupid prince, a dying prince. Don't dare me. Don't even dare me. What do you see in that man? In that useless thing? What did you see in him? Are there no other men in this community? Eh?
Mama, I bet you push away.
You people should just wait. We all have our mission, right? Every man to his or her agenda. I am speaking for myself. My mission is to become the queen of this kingdom. Whereas both of you want Netochukwu dead. So how is your problem supposed to be mine? I am speaking for myself.
And not been off here. Look at you.
Enter me now.
You want to marry the prince?
You did not enter Netochukwu, but it's me that you want. Enter me now.
You just want to go and wear black and mourn him.
Enter me.
So
Mama,
let your record that you married him.
I want to be your woman. I want to have you all to myself forever.
Mary, I want you to stop coming to my office to look for me. I have someone I love.
Obina, why are you doing this to me? Tell me, who is that person superior to Mirima, the daughter of Ezewine? Tell me!
You don't need to know.
Obina, you want me to use my family power on you? Do you?
Hey, family power. You should know me better now. Hope you know my sister. You know myself. So you know that all those your mother, water spirit, all those things, all those Fanta and Coke things doesn't work for our family. You should know that.
I see Mirima has grown very soft, but do not unleash the demon in me. Else, you will regret ever rejecting me.
Mirima, enough of this meeting. I think that's all. You can go. Carry the camera, go. That's the end of this meeting.
I am going nowhere, Obina. Yes.
I'm going nowhere. Okay.
Obina, if I don't have you in this kingdom, nobody will.
Wait for your kingdom there.
Obina, come back here. Come back here, Obina. Come back here. Can you imagine?
Where is she?
Who be there?
Where is that thing, that lunatic? Where is she? Where is she hiding?
We no get lunatic for our house. Everybody head correct.
Shut up.
Sorry.
Where is Neto?
She don't come out. She go Aba. She go carry tools.
Where is your mother?
She know the sugar. She go buy vegetable.
Listen. Tell that thing to stay away from my man. She's of no class. I am royalty. And you know what that means. Else, I'll put her in a place of no return. Excuse me.
Now, wow.
My love, good morning.
How are you?
I'm fine. Yeah, I bought food for you.
Wow. Thank you very much.
Welcome. I have to go back to the shop. You know your sister. Let me go back to the shop. Yeah, okay, I'll see you later.
I will call you once I get to the office, okay?
Very important. Okay,
come.
Yeah, go.
All right.
So let me watch you.
See you.
See you later.
Take care.
Bye-bye.
My girlfriend, Princess Adora, is cheating on me.
That's not true, my prince. I don't think so.
I am yet to find who the boy is.
My prince, are you being serious here?
I'm serious. I'm not joking.
Women, after everything you are doing for the princess, why would you do such a disgusting act?
Drink, my friend. Drink.
My dear, I know you are getting promotion very soon, but I can make it unsuccessful. You know, I hate it when people deny me of what I want. Yes. Oh no, you cannot. You know why? I bought shares with the company you're working with. I bought them in millions. So I am now your new boss. And you must do as the boss says. Baby boy, you are stressing me. I'll talk to you later.
Hello? Princess, what is the meaning of all this? You want my boss to fire me or accept your proposal? No, I don't understand. What makes you think life is all about you? Huh? You know how much I've worked to get to this place? See, Princess Adora, wait, let me talk to you. Wait, excuse me. Oh God, what am I going to call this? What is the meaning of this?
Oh, my darling king. My love. Come here, baby. How are you? How do you feel?
Oh, you don't speak with your father.
Yes, baby.
How is he?
Everyone is sad. But babe, I expected you to defend me in presence of that nothing, that nature of a girl. My love, I do not ever want to see her in this palace again. Please.
I'll be having a meeting with my kinsmen.
All right. I love you, baby.
I'll be inviting you to the crucial meeting.
Crucial meeting? But I'll not be elder now. I'll not be anybody for this community.
I know what I'm doing, okay? The meeting will be tonight, and I want you to be there. I'll give you a call, and please don't say no.
Tonight? Hey! I don't get confused. What I want to go talk for there?
It's alright. So how is business? I mean...
Business, they're fine though. I said I go even thank you, sir. 4 of your friends order for shoes. I don't almost make their shoes finish. Don't worry, I will give you your cuts.
Really?
Yes, sir.
I don't need a cut, okay? It's alright. I'll see you tonight, okay?
Okay.
Take care.
Bye-bye.
Prince!
Our
Prince,
prince!
what if?
Our prince!
It's not there. It's too good to get Prince will be client. You know, you understand? Prince, you're going to buy
you
royal.
go make shoe. Mama, forget. You don't leave me. Mama, I go keep this guy for you. Mama, man no lie. Prince fine, man. Fine man. Imagine say you can't wear queen clothes. You go fine tie at the tech. I go punch you. Chidi, I go punch you. You see you, eh? You see you. Your eye no dull. You think I don't know say you dey razzle my elder brother? You think I know they see you? Madam, forget that one, but I dey tell you truth. You know say you be fine woman, not just na money na. Go make shoe, go inside. Go learn your shoe where you dey. Put eye down for shoe. Leave man o. Give me that time, make I start from where I stop.
Wait, oh mama. I want to understand what's in the sub for you. You mean Netochukwu enter your shrine, go collect money?
Yes, this morning. That is why I'm still wondering why she's still breathing, why she could still walk around alive. I don't know why. Maybe we did not know that.
But Mama, I don't think it's possible. To be honest, there is nobody in this entire village that has such balls. No courage, Mama. What are you even saying?
Ha! Mama, this is an insult too. But for the sake of Obinna, her brother, please forgive her.
For the sake of Obinna, how Mama gone now? I will slap you in the face. We don't talk better to you, they talk of Obinna. The one kind of love. No vex me here. No vex me for it because I will slap you now.
This one is dying for the prince. This one is dying for Obinna. For the sake of her brother Obinna. Who is Obinna?
See, Mama. Let's say we go sacrifice her. We go use this useless girl do sacrifice. So
she's going to be the ultimate sacrifice.
Now what you go do? Because I don't understand this one.
No, I will cut off your head. But for now, let me finish attending to this crucial matter. Then I'll come back to you.
Mama, did I say anything bad? Did I?
See the talk. See the talk. The talk. You see the talk. Which kind of younger sister you be? Did you say anything? See, no vex me. Because if I slap this your face, you go enter your back. No vex me. You talk better thing here. They carry you carry love. They enter am. See this kind of stupid. See, no vex me.
The funniest thing is that the said Obinna hates you so much. He hates you as much as he hates Mama. Is it that you have chosen to be stupid and foolish at the same time? Or you are mad? Which of them?
He doesn't hate me. He doesn't hate me.
And the prince likes you.
Mama, my own is better.
He doesn't like you. You're forcing yourself on him.
Who is forcing
Both of you are the same.
Who is forcing
Both of you are the same thing.
It cannot be the same. We are talking about the prince. We are talking about the prince. Mama, it will be a prestige for me to settle with the prince. Who is Obinna?
My love.
Aha!
How is this possible? Tell me how. If my charm could kill the Igwe, who is this common shoemaker that I cannot take down? Who is the prince? Why are things happening this way? No. I can see this clearly. If I allow the prince to continue like this in this kingdom, he will either change the culture of this kingdom or banish me out of this kingdom. But I still arrest my son for his previous bad behaviors. Yes. Choma, you need to do something. You need to do something before you get troubled with soap inside the water. Hey. There is a chance he could wicked me. Yes! Hey! My way. This death was not meant for you. That death was meant for your son. Hey! Who will defend me? Now, who will defend me from all these attacks? Yes. I need to journey to the land of the Yorubas. I need to go and see great men to collect greater power to deal with Netochukwu and this Prince Ikem Anito.
Eze wanyi, oke mo, eze wanyi.
I rather
quit my job than to do what you asked me to do.
Are you mad? Who the hell do you think you are? You rotten man. You have the guts to speak in front of me? Hey, what's your problem? What is the call of the problem?
Princess, you slapped me. I quit this job.
Every man has a price. Name yours.
I don't have a prize with you.
I'll give you 5 million naira and a brand new car.
Oh my God, I don't want you.
I want you. Don't you have respect for royalty?
That is the more reason I don't want you. You are a royalty. You are a beautiful lady. And you have a handsome prince who's supposed to be your husband. What do you want from me?
I want you.
Oh God, I don't want
But
you.
I want you.
Please, can you get off me? You have a man. I'm not of your class. I don't want you. Excuse me.
How dare you walk out on me? You'll pay. Yes. Hello, Ike. I would like to see you right now. I'll forward you the address.
My prince, anything where you talk, I support them. In fact, anything where you pronounce, I dare for you. Not be everybody supposed to dey worship water. People when worship water, may they go worship water. As for me and my family, now Jesus they our back.
My prince, Neto is not supposed to be in this Christian meeting. If I'm allowed to say, the princess is the one that's supposed to be here and not she.
The prince has got to be.
Well, I have my reasons.
That's the one. Don't you have anything to say?
I don't have much to say. My stand remains, every shop and businesses must remain closed on every Eke Market day. That is the day we worship our river goddess.
That's your rule now for people where they worship water now. You know, consign me. Here.
I do not see anything wrong in this. It's just a matter of understanding.
It should be a matter of understanding. This our prince where they see for here, he gets sense. He gets wisdom. He goes school, well learned. He know what they talk. And anything when they talk, I dare for you. You are correct. Oh. Wait, why your face swell up like this?
Shift your leg.
Why your face dey like this? Because I won't collect my money. Now they pay you. Make I clear you. This your anger, no fit boil egg. Cool down your temperature. Nothing they come out from your body.
I choose you. I fell in love with you from the beginning.
Hey. Oh, Petweke. This is when prince they choose me. My prince. I call Adam risky. You go feel wrong with it, my matter. I know there is you. Talk now. You go fit handle me.
Neto chukwu, Neto chukwu. Nwanyi bu ike, she's stronger like a man. You know fit pull am down. Anywhere she enter, she dey speak her mind, oh. She no like trouble, but she know they run from trouble, oh. She like to hustle, no use her hustle, take and play. If she say the truth to anywhere, she go talk more. Neto. If you carry fight, it come her house, or she go knock you. Neto. She do always fight for the weak, well. Neto chukwu, them no fit chop her ear.
Dad? Dad. Father. Dad. Marry the cobbler. She's already your heart's desire. Punishes the wine. Father, you shouldn't be doing this. Just wake up, open your eyes. Father, please, I beg you, open your eyes. God. Oh no. It's me, Prince. The worst has happened. My father is not... He's not opening his eyes, he's not moving, his body's just stiff. Please, come to the palace right away. Yes.
Nitochukwu, the prince wants you to be his queen.
Mama, I dreamt about it. Oh, that's so dream they come to pass. Hey.
This is striking. So, what is he going to do with Princess Adora?
Nothing concern me concern that one. Oh. My own be say I'm in love with the prince. I'm still in shock, Seth.
About Ezewine being a murderer?
Mama, that one no concern me. Prince Ikeba tell me say, Obina tell and say, Princess tried to give him 5 million, made it for the sea secretly.
Hey! Chukwuaju, my own Obina.
He even talk say she threatened to fire him from his workplace if they no agree to see. But I trust my brother now. He won't be himself, he hold his side, he gets self-control, he no agree.
Hey! And he never told us all this one.
Mama, it is time to reset this kingdom. Evil must be flushed out.
Okay.
Yes, so. Ha.
Mama will come up for here now.
Give me.
Mama with the go now. Mama with the go.
Don't ask me that. Is that what you're asking me? Eh? You're the only one at home. Esther is not around. Please take care of the house. You know?
Mama will come out here now. You no go find Obin now. Because I go deal with you.
Obin now,
Hi, baby. Oh, Madam Mary. Oh, my princess. Greetings. Greetings to you. You are here? Yes. Hello. Good morning.
You're awake.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm good.
Did you sleep well?
Yeah, I did. I'm so tired.
So sorry.
Yeah, have you heard from Ike? He's not called since yesterday.
Oh, no, I don't even have his number, and I'm sure he doesn't have mine too. Why not call him later and,
It's okay. It's fine. Don't worry.
So let me tell the chef to get you your breakfast.
I know. I'm fine. Okay?
Sure?
I'm sure.
You're not hungry? Or you want me? You don't want food? Or
Come
you want food?
on, I'm so tired.
You don't want food or you want me? You don't want food or you want me?
Oh my God. I'm so tired.
I'm sorry, did you dream of me?
Always.
My baby. Yuri. Mama. Can I have it? Let's have it.
It took you too long.
No verse. Activity plenty. No verse.
Oh yeah, now let me have.
Now, you cannot just have it like that.
Chidi.
You don't forget, you can't be Chidi. You cannot just have it like that. It takes a lot to have it like that.
Chidi now.
Eh?
Give it to me now. I'm on my period. Maybe later. This one is useless to me. So give me the new one.
As you don't touch them with always on her period. You go. If your period don't finish, you come. I'm tired. No matter who go on your period. You can't do it. No, it won't happen.
Chidi.
You're on your period, baby.
Chidi, now that's not the agreement.
I know they like stress. I know they like stress. If I want to do something, I do it with my full heart, my full chest. I don't like stress and delay.
Chidi, wait. I'm not on my period, but there's something I want to go to with that shoe. Later now will come, so we'll do. Now just give me this shoe.
Okay, you're not done your period again.
No, I'm not doing my period.
You have to submit now.
Chidi now.
Submit answer booklet to
Chidi.
Make I pass you.
We'll do it later now. I want to go to one party.
No. You know what happen. Today na WAEC. Na English dey compulsory for WAEC. Come write WAEC.
Oh yeah. Where do you want it?
No, you not pressure me to do it. No, be me. Manta give him time. Let me relax. I'll bring out my heart, my everything. I put it on you. You cannot.
Chidi, now there's something I'm rushing to now. You do it like 5 minutes now.
No, you give me 10 minutes, more than. I will take my time. That is, I'll bring out my energy.
Where do you want it?
No, you not shout.
Okay, sorry.
Look, bring down your voice.
Okay, sir.
I'm the one doing the work.
Yes.
You follow me.
So,
I will change my mind now.
Oh, yeah, sorry. Now let's go. I want to wear that shoe somewhere.
Oh, it's all no good talking.
Let's go. Chidi, after.
Mama, I don't want to bother anybody on my personal issues. I can handle it.
Is that why you resigned?
Yes. What is the reason I resigned? Because I wonder what I'll be doing there.
This is serious. Girls of nowadays. I wonder. Those days it wasn't like this. Is it not shameful?
Anyway, Mama, please, I want to keep this on the low. Please.
Hello? What?
I'll be right there. Mama, I'll be right back, please.
Why did you resign?
You already know.
You can come back to work now.
I can't, my princess.
Why? Are you deaf? Did you not hear me mention that you can come back to work?
My princess, I've already gotten another job and I'm resuming work on Monday.
I see. So it is true. You are sleeping with that thing in your sister's shop. That's common. You know, it is funny how I try to bring you up to my standard, forgetting that you are classless. What a shame. Well, you have the ball in your court. I wonder how you're going to exist around my kingdom when I become the queen. I'm sure you will have yourself to blame. Cheap thing. Excuse me.
Where do you think you're going?
And who are you to ask me such things? Who is this one? Who is this one? Don't try it with me, oh. Don't try it with me. See, do I look like your village people? Do I look like those who are scared of you and your family members? Madam, if you know my boss, you should know me better.
Oh, Inyeshi, I will deal with you. I promise you. I will.
And I'm gladly waiting for that very day. Yes. Look at you. You are here. You're after a man that doesn't want you. Eh? You are killing yourself over a man that doesn't want you. Can't you see it? Why are you so desperate to have somebody who doesn't even care about your existence? Why? See, don't try this nonsense next time. Don't try it. If not, you will not like me.
Where did you borrow your guts from? A shoemaker like you is challenging me, Mirima. It's okay.
Get out.
Onyechi, I promise you, you will regret this action.
Nothing.
I swear to God. Can you imagine?
JD! JD, don't fool me. JD, help! This guy don't fool me. JD abused me. If I tell somebody, nobody will believe me. JD abused my head. I'm a fool. JD went away with the 2 shoes. Hey. Chidi, I'm a big fool. Neka, you are a big fool. Chidi used me anyhow, collected the 2 shoes and left. What if I'm pregnant? Hey! Chidi! Use my brain, I'm a fool. Neka, you are a big fool.
Chidi, so you be thief? Are you packing this shoe? Chidi! Hey!
So you stole this shoe? You actually stole the shoe?
You dey speak English. Nah, offer God that I will give you. Try am.
Betiano, you thief, you say get mouth to talk, you dey mad.
Madam, I no thief am, no vex. I go pour you spit.
Come on, shut up your mouth.
Madam, no vex. No dey put am out, no concern you. Sorry, man.
How you gonna thief?
I no thief am.
So what you do?
I move am.
You move am. You move am.
Madam! Madam, what's that for? What's going on now? Madam! You want to fight trouble, you want to do What's that for here? Madam! What's that for now? Madam! Madam, what's that for? You woke up now, what's happened to you? No, not try to put my heart for it, so. You get mad, you no get strength. Madam! Act, Nedabara. What's wrong with you?
What have you done? How dare you? Urukai? How dare you set my gods on fire? Urukai? Are you mad or something?
You think you go fit kill me, Abi? You think say you go fit buy me? You not fit. I'm not small, oh. I not be. What you dey do? What you dey do? Sister, you follow you play. You dey mad. You dey do
Odeshi.
Eh.
Odeshi.
Go on, they enter you, Abi.
Does not fight.
Go on, they enter you.
Yes.
Go on, they enter you. Go on, they enter you. I will kill him.
Drop it.
I will kill him.
Drop it.
I drop him and die.
Drop it now.
That's the one you don't vanish, Abi. You think I don't fit catch you? Eh? Or you think you go fit disappear, Abi? I dey pee, they wait for you. I don't go anywhere. Now me and you today, I go give you trouble for this kingdom. I go give you hit. You don't whine.
Release me. Release me. My chest. I cannot breathe. Please release me, oh. Release me. Ah! Release me. Release me. Please. Release me, oh. Release me. Ah! I cannot breathe. I cannot breathe. My chest. My chest. Ah! My chest. I cannot breathe. Release me. I cannot. Ah! I cannot breathe. I cannot breathe. Release me. Oh, my chest. My chest. My chest. I cannot breathe. Release me. Release me. I cannot breathe. I cannot breathe. Release me. Oh, release me.
Chimo, this woman turned to snake. That's the why. I don't catch you. I'm not gonna release you. I not gonna release you. I go kill you today. I'm not gonna release you, they're mad. I'm not gonna release you. This how they follow you play. This how they follow you play, that's the why. You're mad. This how they follow you play. Now me, you take the play, that's the why. You don't fear. But they use me, they play, that's the why. You go connect today. No, eh? No! No, Abi! No! I go deal with you today. No, Abi!
Release me! No! No! I cannot breathe! No! No!
It don't be for you as a wine. Today is your end. You go die today. You're mad.
I am not going to let this happen. Mama cannot do this to me. I really don't like what Mama is doing. I don't like it. Eh?
Don't say you don't like what Mama did. Mama is not even there, shrine.
The prince already declared her his queen. Why would Mama do this type of a thing to me now? What is the problem?
The worst part be say Mama no there, shrine sef. I don't look for her everywhere. Look for her. I don't see her. Waiting the sub sef.
Zugo, Mama is fake. Mama is fake. Don't look at me like that. If Mama is not fake, she has to prove it to me. How can Mama do this to me? She's as the wine for crying out loud.
Nah.
Hey! Kill the witch! I don't catch your mama.
You catch who, Mama?
Not be your mama be this. Not be your mama be this. Eh? Your mama no fear. She called my shop. She won't kill me and my girl. She teaches she go succeed. She don't feel succeed. I go and she ready go confront her. Now she turn to this snake. It don't be for Amo. Kill the witch. Burn the witch. I go burn your mama today. I go kill your mama today. It don't be for your mama. Oh. It don't be for your mama. It don't be for your mama. I go buy up today. I don't catch your mama. Are you seeing it? I don't catch your mama. Are you seeing it? Kill the witch. It don't be oh.
Where is that bastard? Come out!
Where is she? Adon, where is that bastard that thinks she can take the prince away from me? Where is she? What's the problem? You don't. Where are you? I'll shoot you. You pointed a gun at me. This has not ended.
You see that talk bomb there your head. Come up on this place.
I want to take the prince away from me. The big girl. I will come for you. I will find my own God.
That person be. They don't say I'm not well. They whine.
Neto.
I'm sure you're not aware that I am the deadliest. Yet the simplest of them. Shut up. I don't bite. But when I decide to, I bite the bone and make sure you don't exist anymore. You said you would gladly wait, Onyeshi. And behold, you waited. And that's what shows you're a great person. And today, I will chop your parts, bit by bit, and make sure you don't exist anymore. And guess what? Obina will finally be mine. And you will be no more. Yes! You will be no more. You dared Mirima. How dare you? How dare you dare me? Sorry. Where is that guts? Where did you buy your guts from?
Sorry. Hey. Hey, Uchimo. Hey. There's a million in the cow. Tell her to release that snake. As it is, I cannot breathe though. That snake is suffocating. Dying. Help me, my children. I'm dying. Your mother is dying. Ah!
Mama, wait. What, Mama, me, I don't understand though. I don't understand. We are telling you that Neto is about to become the queen of this kingdom. And you're telling us to go and beg her. How now? How are we even supposed to stoop that low to go and beg Neto? For what, Mama? For what?
There's no need for this what people are doing now. Help your mother. Your mother is dying, you know. As you can see me now, I'm dying, I'm going, you know.
Hello, Mama. I want to understand something. So what you they try tell us now? You see, your spirit is inside that snake where she carry.
Yes, that is my snake. That is my life. Oh, collect that snake from her. Oh, my head is on fire.
Mama, I don't understand. It's still unbelievable to me. Oh, what do you mean she was chasing you up and down? And that she came and took away your snake from your shrine? Hey, Mama, are you telling us that Neto is about to defeat you or what?
My body is born, you know.
Where is Mirima?
I don't know.
Which one is that you don't know? We need to help Mama now. You see, Mama is dying now. Her condition is not good.
Uh-huh. Let's help her now. Am I not here? Am I Mirima's keeper? I'm here saying that I've lost the prince and you're telling me something else.
I will slap you. You are still talking about the prince. Mama, Mama, sorry. I will go and find the snake now.
So what are we going to do now? Is she coming?
She coming. Mama is gone. Can you imagine your life at the mercy of your enemies? Eh? I don't know what to do.
What are we going to do now?
I don't know what to do as it stands like this. Eh?
What do you mean you don't know what to do? I'm asking you, what do you mean you don't know what to do?
Which one is you're asking me what do you mean don't know what to do? I'm telling you I don't know what to do. I don't know where to go to from here. I don't know what to do.
Ezugo, you're my elder brother. Please, you have to figure out something, anything at all.
And see this one, oh. You're my elder brother. Come, you not be human being. You don't feel think for yourself. You don't feel think of something.
Stop shouting. You know, Mama's spirit is in that snake. If nothing is done, she will die. Mama takes blood to survive.
But I don't know what to do now. But come on, where is Mirima?
Leave Mirima. Let's figure out a way to save Mama. Leave her alone.
Why will I leave her alone? Is she not part of this family? What are you saying? She's supposed to be here so that we can put heads together and know what to do.
Since she's not here, can't both of us sort things out?
Hey, you think of something now. Think of something.
You are the first one, no? You go, but I don't know what you're doing, no?
No. We're talking about something. You are telling me another thing.
If Mama dies, me, I'll hold you.
Nikuyenka.
Babe, what is going on? What's happening? I cannot possibly accept that you chose that thing over me. That girl is evil. Certainly she has bewitched you. She used a spell on you, I know that. Babe, I am your queen and we can rule this kingdom together. I didn't come all the way from US to be humiliated here. Right now, all you have to do is to get her banished. I can't lose you. My love, we can work things out, all right?
Hey. Shut up that your ugly dirty mouth. Do you think that we don't know what you do behind? Look, this kingdom may be too large as you think, but do small in getting information. Yes.
Can you just shut up? Keep quiet, you old fool. Don't interfere when I'm talking to my man. Baby, pay no attention to this old fool, okay? Listen to me, I cannot lose you. I can't lose you over anyone. Please. Babe, say something. Say you love me. Say you want me back.
You killed Ike? He tried to blackmail you, yes.
I was so glad when I got your call.
Hello.
I knew you were going to call me. I know you miss me.
Yeah, we do.
How news flies? You're becoming the queen soon.
You heard?
Yes, I heard.
Amazing.
You're looking so adorable and beautiful.
Oh, nice.
You.
Oh. Idiot. You want to blackmail me? Fool. My love. Baby, you know me too well. You know that I'm a good woman. I can explain. And I'm sure you will understand me. I can explain, baby.
Shut up your mouth and save yourself the stress.
Obi, remember I love you. I can't lose you. I am sorry. I am a good queen. We can rule together. I can correct.
Keep quiet. You killed Ike as they have guts to speak before our king. How dare you? You are expecting to become a queen. People like you should be in the zoo and not expecting to rule this kingdom with a great king.
Oh no. Please, talk to him. Please help me.
You will not be our queen.
Yes.
For what you've done, you will be locked up in this palace until the appropriate authority arrive.
Yes.
Guards!
Finest! Mama, waiting with the wait now. May we just butcher this girl once. Make I kill her.
No, relax. I will call my shots in no time.
My body dey shake me.
Begging now, right?
Be me.
Please spare my life. I should spare you. Did you spare me now for me? Did you?
I'm sorry.
No. It's okay. It's fine.
Shut up.
Let's go. Look at her.
Please.
You don't have mouth.
Oh, I wanted to kill them both. Oh, hey, I wanted both of them to die. Oh, hey, my body. Oh, I'm dying. Oh, hey.
Abomination.
Hey.
So you were the person that killed her father?
Yes. Oh, I killed her father because
He preached to the Igwe to stop having an affair with me. That Igwe should focus on his God. That his God is a God of fire. And I got furious and sent Igwe kidney disease. I made him to die of kidney failure. I am sorry.
So after confessing how you killed the king, you still went ahead trying to eliminate the prince. How heartless and evil you are.
I wanted to kill the prince because he's the one always opposing me. The death that killed Igwe wasn't supposed to kill Igwe. He was supposed to have killed the prince. But Igwe Jinisi buri yona broya mere. Hey.
Aaron, you deserve to die. You are full of evil. Look at where it landed you. This is the day of your reckoning.
You are right.
That's why you are. Hey. Abomination. So you killed our king.
My elders, please, I am begging you people. Please, let's help my mother. I don't want her to die. I'm begging you because...
Let us call the prince and Neto Chukwu.
Yes.
Call them to come here. Let me apologize to them.
Please, no. Please, let's help my mother.
Beg Neto to release the snake.
Aaron. Is the one committed abomination.
Please, don't kill her. We are begging you. Release the snake.
If I release this snake, make her die. If I try and make this ground swallow me. If I release this snake, make her die. I'm not trying more. The wine.
I beg, I beg. Forgive my mama. Release the snake. I promise you, I go make sure say she not practice this thing again. I beg, I thank God. Since when she dey practice, she never helped anybody for this. Not even my sister, not even me, sir. I beg now, forgive her. I beg.
So please, I am begging you, don't allow my mother to die, please. I am begging you. I'm sorry for everything that we did to you because Neto, please, Neto, please.
Neto, please. I beg you. Forgive her. Huh? Let go of this snake. Let's have peace. Allow karma to take its course.
My prince, you shock me. Oh. I swear to God, you shock me. The Bible says, suffer not a witch to live. This woman a witch. If I release this snake, she go do worst. Everybody go die finish for this village. She go kill everybody. I'm not gonna release this snake. Oh. I'm not gonna try him.
She nearly killed me.
Neto, please. Don't allow my mother to die.
I wanna leave me. You want to touch me? I'm not the fight.
Neto. Please, I beg you. For my own sake. Let go of the snake. Let peace reign. Forgive.
Neto, please, now. Please, Neto, please. Because we are sorry for everything.
Hey, Chimo! Hey, Tochukwu.
Neto, please. Neto, please.
Mama, give me. No more. Hey!
Mama, no.
Mama, please, Mama. No more. Neto Chukwu. You have said it, eh? You have killed my mother.
I'll take kill her, Mama.
You will them.
I kill her. I release the snake disappear. She die. I'll take kill her. You see me touch her.
Oh, Mama.
Oh no, and my elders, please kindly communicate with the youth of this town so they can prepare for her funeral.
It's all right, please.
Neto, follow me.
So this is the end of this and wine.
Mire jiri ihe ma efi n'anya. Mama mo biko na. Hey, that's what you go na. That's what you go na. There's a why. In your next word, try and be good.
Oh yes. Oh yes.
Hey, you mean her daughter nearly killed you? Oh, shit.
Mama, no be small thing happen there. You know, say as manager of the shop, I did for shop, they can't call me. Say they see spunk and some boys and girls carry onye they enter bush.
Jesus.
I have to, as the Superman and Spider-Man where I be, I jump into the matter. I went to separate the issue. I cannot go alone. I called 2 vigilantes. I called Spider-Man here, Obinna. We went together to fight war. Mama, you know easy. You know easy. Strength come off my body.
My dear, thank you very much.
Mama, it's nothing.
This is the first time you did something that regards me.
No, as the philanthropist that I am, I'm working in work. Hey, man, you know, say she's not strong, no only math. But it's nothing. It's nothing, Mama.
You tried, my dear.
Mama, I could not believe what happened. As I'm talking to you now, I'm still in shock. Because the whole thing is just playing on my head. If not for God now, Nyeshi here would have been a dead person by now.
Huh? Can you imagine? Their corpse has filled up.
Mama, you really fool.
Can you imagine how calamity just before Ezewanyi's family?
Very rubbish family like that.
Hey, my daughter, it's well with you.
Huh? It's nothing. As a philanthropist, what is my work? Mama.
You tried, eh?
Thank you, Mama.
You tried.
Chidi, thank you so
It's
much.
nothing. It's nothing. What is life?
It's okay.
Oh.
No, sorry, eh?
Mama, you not cook anything. You not cook.
I am delighted that today my coronation was a success. And also to my beautiful wife here, I say thank you. And I promise that henceforth, this land shall experience fresh breath of air. We shall have peace, unity, and progress. In my reign, in this land, there will not be bloodshed. So shall it be. Music!
oge mmụọ eze nwanyị onye ike eze nwanyị oge mmụọ eze nwanyị onye ike. See the evil priestess over the land. Whatever she wants is what she will get. Do not stand on her way. If you dare her, nkeke bomekwe eze wanyi. Oge mmụọ akalamara eze wanyi. Ijele wanyi yo onye ike eze wanyi. Oge mmụọ eze wanyi. Onye ike eze wanyi. The powerful priestess, powerful priestess. Eze wanyi. Eze wanyi. Yeah.